We are fully committed here at EuroMotorcars Mercedes-Benz in Germantown, Maryland, to help stop the spread of COVID-19 coronavirus. Hi, I'm Scott Weber, the General Manager at EuroMotorcars Mercedes-Benz in Germantown, Maryland. Please spend a few moments with me. I will show you around both our showroom, service lane, downstairs in the shop, and our customer waiting area to give you the confidence that we will take care of both you and your vehicle while it's in our care. For our service customers, new and returning, you will quickly notice from the moment you pull into our climate-controlled service drive that our service team members are taking every precaution and step to ensure your safety and health, as well as their own. From check-in to the freshly sanitized service lounge and through the entire service process, we've taken every preventative measure to ensure your safety and health. Our technicians are wearing gloves throughout the entire service process while disinfecting all contact points before and after the service. From inside the shop to the seats in our lounge, we know that you expect nothing but the best from us, and we are prepared to deliver on those expectations. Once again, I would like to thank you for your continued business, and we all look forward to seeing you soon.